Kule mpelaveki siphuma kuyo nebe impelaveki yokubhalisela unyulo lomasipala basemakhaya ngoNovemba, abantu ebebebonakala benxibe impahla ze-ANC babonakele bengquzulana nabantu ebebebonakala benxibe impahla ze-EFF. I-ANC itshola ngelithi amalungu e-EFF angene ngetshova abetha amalungu ayo kwisikhululo sovoto kwilokishi yakwaDambuza eMgungundlovu.
Aware now that 2 of those members, not 3 of them, were admitted in hospital, and after coming out of hospital they've opened cases with police. So hopefully the police will do their work.
If the ANC claims that they've opened cases of assault against our members, they are admitting that those hooligans who came to try and block the commander-in-chief and deny him access to those voting stations are actually their members.
We do not want to see in this province no-go areas where certain political parties are not allowed to access certain communities.
Le komishoni izimeleyo yonyulo ingqinile ukuba isifumene isikhalazo esisemthethweni se-EFF mayelana nolungquzulwano.